Of which was when they were drilling down to put in the foundation for this building. So they were removing all that excess material onto a barge that they had placed in the middle of the river. Overfilled the barge, snapped right in half, sunk down to the bottom of the river. It took about 2 months to clean up the mess that they had made from that. Second one was when they were pouring the concrete for the floors. On the 12th floor, the form blew out and it took out all the floors on its way down. And the last one, about 3-4 months ago, in a really nasty windstorm, the windows just started flying off of the building. So just a few setbacks, we'll get there. Just won an award for structural engineering. The foundations that we do have for our buildings here in Chicago is a little bit different. Because we're surrounded by so much water, you have to drill down anywhere from 75 to 100 feet before you hit bedrock. So this is what's called a caisson foundation. How this works, you drill down that 75 to 100 feet. Once you get to bedrock, then you drop in a caisson. What they would have used back in the day would have been the old railroad tank cars. Once that's in the bedrock, then put the structural beam for the building into the caisson, pour the concrete into this. This becomes a foundation for most of the skyscrapers that we're looking at. Blue glass building to your right here, Boeing World Headquarters, originally the Morton International Salt Building made by Perkins and Will in 1990. And also this building, there's actually 2 very different heights for the building. That's because this building, along with the rest of the buildings that we're going to see on the right-hand side of the river, all built on what's called air rights. Underneath these buildings is Union Train Station. So if you want to have a building here, that's fine, but you cannot disrupt the train station underneath. They have to put the building on top of the train station. That's why that last one had the V at the bottom. They're avoiding the trains underneath them. Taller half of the Boeing building has a caisson foundation, structural beams going all the way down to bedrock. Shorter half is built specifically over the switch point for Union Train Station. So that's where your trains are going off in all their different directions, going out throughout the entire city. You can't have any structural beams that are going down.